We've had a client make a massive 7-to-1 reward to risk ratio trade in under 1 hour while we were on a live webinar. Let me explain more and how you can do exactly the same right now. Hey there traders, it's Andrew Mitchem here at the Forex Trading Coach with video and podcast number 527. Now, just earlier this morning, I was on a live US session webinar with our clients. And during that session, someone already had open a 4-hour chart trade on the New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. And it's a buy trade and it was going really quite well. But at the time we were talking, the price had retraced down to the entry level because we were taking a buy limit and actually gone further down towards the stop loss level. However, the stop loss on that trade on the New Zealand Canadian dollar was below the round number of 82, 0.82. And while we were talking, a number of other clients said, hey Andrew, look, because we've got that stop loss protection, can I jump in at the market right now? And I said, yeah, of course you can, because the trade's still valid. The stop loss was holding. We'd had previous resistance levels and now we come down and we were using that 82 as a support level. And I said, yeah, jump into the trade. And so a number of people did. Now, within under 1 hour, we had clients saying that they closed out of the trade, it hit the profit target before we finished the webinar, and it made an incredible 7-to-1 reward to risk on that trade. So if you use my suggested level of 0.5% risk of your account per trade, that meant that those clients made a massive 3.5%, 3.5% gain on their account in under 1 hour just by being on the webinar. So what does that mean? Well, first of all, we are identifying high quality trades and we're discussing them, we're talking about them. We're saying the reasons why we're taking the trade or why we're not taking the trade. And so for me, the quality of that live in discussion cannot be underestimated. It's something you just will not get by yourself, or if you're on some forum site somewhere and no one really knows what it is that you're trading. We are all trading the same system, looking at the same charts at the same time, all with the common goal of helping each other. So that to me is absolutely incredible, and you cannot underestimate how valuable that is for anybody, regardless of your trading experience. If you're brand new to trading, obviously it's going to be incredibly valuable. But if you've been trading for a while and just to jump on once a week or every couple of weeks and just view what we're doing in real time and discuss that, that is absolute gold. And it just shows with the returns that we made. I also took a trade on the 4-hour chart on the US Swiss franc, which made a 2.3-to-1 reward to risk. Not quite as high as the massive 7-to-1, but that was more around our normal reward to risk levels that we get. I've also taken some trades on the 4 hours and the 8 hours that are still open behind me right now. But just goes to show what happens when you build yourself a community of like-minded people all around the world. So that's how we can help you to achieve your trading goals. So we've got a number of people that are now passing prop firms as well and doing really well there. And that's yet another income stream for people who, once they know what they're doing, they can go and explore that avenue if that's the way you want to go. So a few things to help you here. If you've not been on my masterclass, I suggest you jump onto it. It's a 45-minute on-demand session. It explains various trades that we've taken and explains how we trade and how we can help you. I'll put a link to that on this post or video, wherever you're watching. If you'd like to have a chat with myself or one of my team, I will give you the opportunity to do that. Again, I'll put a link here. And if you're out there looking for a very high quality broker that offers a huge number of different markets on the MT4 and the MT5 platform, I can highly recommend Blueberry Markets. We have a large number of our clients who choose Blueberry Markets. Ultimately, it's up to you to go and do your own due diligence and trade who you feel comfortable with, or through who you feel comfortable with. But I can highly recommend the team at Blueberry. They're a really good bunch of people, and I've been with them since their beginning, and I've found them exceptionally good. So have a look at Blueberry Markets, and again, I'll put a link to them here. So that's it for today. I hope that helps. It just shows what happens when you join a community of people all trading one strategy. Think about that, a 7-to-1 reward to risk trade. In other words, 0.5% risk, 3.5% banked in your account in under 1 hour, all while on a webinar with myself. So that's what we do. That's how we help people make it work for them. If you'd like to know more, feel free to contact us or email me directly, andrew@theforextradingcoach.com, and I will personally reply back to you. Bye for now.